This module that I'm holding in my hands maybe is one of my favorites, and it's a very practical module that I got from Aliexpress, and the price for this thing it's around $9 US. And what is it? It's a constant current, constant voltage, and DC input voltage for this thing starts from 6 volts, maximum 36 volts, and can be adjusted output voltage from 1.2 volts to 32 volts, 5 amperes or 75 watts, and it's a step down buck converter power supply module voltage regulator, and also it's a charger. Yes, using this module you can charge your batteries, lithium rechargeable batteries, with your desired current. Today's video will be about this guy, how you can use it, and some of you comment, I need a charger for my lithium battery, but my lithium battery is 3.7 volts and maybe 10 amperes. You can charge batteries with that much current, let's say capacity of 10 amperes, using one of these popular Type-C chargers. These are giving maximum 1 ampere current for charging. Also these smaller ones also give 1 ampere with Type-C, and it will take a long time to charge a capacity of 10 amperes, 3.7 volts. So that's why you need this module, which is 75 watts, 5 ampere maximum. You can set that output voltage from 1.2 to 36 volts, whatever you want, and also you have LEDs for indicating that is fully charged or is charging. Also we have a constant current LED and turn it on LED. It's a beautiful module that comes together with these plexiglass front and back pieces. And in today's video, as I told you, I will show you how you can charge, for example, this kind of battery pack. This one is made by me. It's 12 volt. But the batteries, 18650 batteries, are connected in series, but also 2 of them are connected in parallel. And on top of that, I have a charger, 3S charger board protection. We have charge wires on this side and discharge on this side. This board basically is a protection for the batteries, but we need an input voltage of 12.6 volts, and if you don't have the right charger, using this module you will do the job. Let's start. And let me explain. On this DC-DC converter, this connector is for input voltage, the second connector is for output voltage. We have the LCD screen with 4 buttons. This button is for showing the input voltage and output voltage. Right now the input voltage is 15 volts. With second press we're gonna show the output voltage, and right now it's 0 because the output is turned off. I can turn it on and it's set on 14.3 volts. Also we have a LED indicator that's showing that the module is turned on. On these 2 buttons you can adjust the output voltage. Take a look, and now we're gonna set, let's say, to 12.6 volts for my battery pack that we're gonna charge it. Yes, so we have 12.6 volts output, and I can turn it off and turn it on. As I said, this one is for input output, and also if you hold the in out button it will show the watts or the amperes. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, also not to forget, we have 4 LEDs for indicating fully charged battery, charging, constant current that can be adjusted with the potentiometer, and the LED for turn it on the output voltage. Let's hook up the battery pack now. Okay, positive to positive, negative to negative, and already pulled some current. I'm gonna turn it off. As I said, here I have 3S battery pack that give 12 volts, and on the protection board we have charge points and discharge point. Here we're gonna attach the load, but on this side we're gonna charge the battery pack. And now the output voltage is set on 11.45. No, it shows 11.45, that is the voltage of the battery, but using these buttons you can set the voltage, take a look, to 12.6 volts, and it's not turned on. Going to input voltage, okay, here it is the output, and I'm gonna turn it on and take a look. Right now it's pulling around 2 amperes, and that blue LED indicates that is charging, and when it reach 12.6 volts it will automatically turn it off, and the LED indicator full will be turned on. So here it is the output voltage, and the input voltage is 15.4 volts, 1.6 amperes, and if I hold it we're gonna see that in watts it's pulling around 20 watts. Let's go to the amperes, and anytime you can turn it off just with one press. Let's monitor the output voltage, 1.6, and you can adjust that anytime. Take a look, let's say 12.5 volts, and now the current is dropping because the battery is almost full. And you can adjust the current also using this potentiometer right here. Let's do that, and rotating, and take a look. Now we have a red light, meaning constant current, and we reduce the current now to 800 milliamperes. Yes, from 0 to 5 amperes using this module you can charge the battery pack with whatever current you want, from 0 to 5 amperes, because this module is maximum 75 watts. Remember that. I'm gonna increase a little bit the current to, let's say, how much, to 1 ampere, or if I want to maximum, maybe 1.5. Beautiful. I'm gonna check the battery pack. I'm gonna check each cell on the battery pack. Let's go from this point where it says 0 and 4.2 volts. And why? Yes, 4.1. We're gonna go to the second point, 8.4. It shows 8.1. That means that it's not fully charged. And on the third point, 12.6, we have 12.2 volts. Alright, you can see that on the protection board we have points of 0 volts, 4.2, 8.4 and 12.6 to monitor the voltage of the battery pack. And this module is doing a great job. Beautiful. Okay, that was all for today's video, where I show you how you can charge a custom-made lithium battery with whatever cells you want to maximum 36 volts, because this module can provide maximum 36 volts. And for $9 you can solve a problem. All the links for the products will be in description below, for the charger module or DC-DC converter, and also the protection board for the 3S. I forgot to tell you, it's a 60 ampere protection board, remember that. Okay, thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya tomorrow.